How to buy Initia token. So this token came under the symbol of init. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now this token, it will be listed on MEXC, so I will show you how to buy this token on MEXC if it's listed. Now first of all, what you need to do is just open your MEXC account like that. Now just go and open your MEXC account. Now if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now first of all, go to search bar and click here and type in it like that. Now don't go and click on all or spot, just click on announcement. You will be able to find this article. Now click on it. Wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, MEXC pre-market trading Initia is came in soon. So as you can see, we are thrilled to announce that Initia will soon be available for pre-market trading on MEXC. Get a head start before it hits the spot market. So the start time, it will be 15, so it's yesterday on 4, but the settlement time, please refer to the trading details page to the specific settlement time. So make sure to read all of that information here to know how to buy this token on MEXC. So this is how to buy any token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.